How to remove music from a video but give voice on CapCut. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open up CapCut and tap on New Project. And after you do that, you may go ahead and export the video that you would like to extract the audio and remove and only keep the voice. So tap on Add. And once the video is added in the timeline, you should be finding it like this. Now what you need to do is simply tap on the video, and then in the button you will be finding different editing options. Look for the option that says extract audio, this one right here. Tap on it, and you need to wait for some seconds for the audio to be extracted first. Once the audio is extracted, what you can do is simply tap on the audio, and from here you need to find the option that says isolate voice, this one right here. Tap on it, and then you may tap on the option that says keep voice, this one right here, second option, and you may go ahead and isolate your voice. So if you want to export that video, you need to understand that it is a pro feature of CapCut. So if you don't have the pro feature, you may go ahead and upgrade to pro version of CapCut. So that's it. That is how you basically only keep voice on CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.